Today, I'll show you how to upload and analyze Excel files in Claude. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. Claude does support Excel.xlsx files, but Anthropic says you must enable code execution and file creation in your account before you can upload XLSX files. Anthropic also says the maximum file size is 30 megabytes per file for uploads and downloads. To get started, open Claude and make sure file analysis is enabled for your account. Anthropic's file creation guide says this feature is part of Claude's upgraded file creation and analysis workflow, and Anthropic's Help Center says XLSX uploads depend on code execution and file creation being turned on. Now upload your Excel file. Anthropic says you can do this by clicking the plus button in the chat box, choosing Add Files or Photos, selecting the Excel file from your device, and attaching it. You can also drag and drop the file directly into the Claude chat window. Once the file is attached, tell Claude exactly what you want analyzed. For example, you can ask Claude to summarize the workbook, explain trends, find unusual values, compare sheets, clean the data, build charts, calculate totals, or highlight errors. Anthropic says Claude can do advanced data analysis, create Python scripts for analysis, generate visualizations, and work with spreadsheet files as part of its file creation and analysis features. If you want a stronger result, be specific. Ask Claude things like, analyze monthly sales by region, find the top 5 products by revenue, identify missing values, explain which sheet contains the most important trends, or create a cleaned version of the workbook. Anthropic says, Claude can also create or edit Excel spreadsheets and return a new .xlsx file after working on your data. There's also another useful option. If you want the results in a file instead of just a text answer, Anthropic says Claude can create a new Excel spreadsheet, generate charts as image files, or produce other output files like PDFs, Word documents, and PowerPoint presentations. That means you can upload one Excel file and ask Claude to return a cleaned workbook, a summary report, or a presentation based on the data. One more thing to remember is that Claude's Excel support is now part of a broader file analysis system. Anthropic also documents Excel-related capabilities in its platform tools and skills, including pre-built support for working with Excel files when code execution is enabled. So, in simple terms, open Claude, make sure code execution and file creation are enabled, upload your .xlsx file with the plus button, and then tell Claude exactly what kind of analysis you want. That's the main way to upload and analyze Excel files in Claude today, and that's how to upload and analyze Excel files in Claude. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.